Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, March 21st, 2014. The U.S. stock market is closed. You know, I would have gladly given a couple more $1,000s of my very substantial losses right now, just not to do this video. This is tough. I have been trading, you know, for 20-some years. Believe me, I've been in much worse shape than this. I can remember going way back where I, trading $200,000 and lost $85,000 in a single day. Now, that was really bad. This is not bad compared to that. But most of the people that are working with my trading system and everything else, they don't know that. They haven't had an experience with that. And trading this system currently is just brutal. And you know, we had this fantastic February when it's just like we couldn't do anything wrong. We just made money day after day after day. And then we switched to March, and it's just a perfect mirror image of that. No matter what we do, it's bad, and we just lose money day after day after day. And a couple days ago I thought, hey, you know, this is turning around. We're going to get out of this. And then we ended up losing $20,000 in profits. It wasn't money that we actually had yet, but it was $20,000 in profits. And then, you know, we come in today, we only had about $1,000 in profits in open trading. I figured, well, maybe at least it'll just be a quiet day. No, it wasn't a quiet day. We got sacked again today. And we got sacked to the tune of over $8,000 in closed out trades, and we're carrying $13,000 in open trade equity over the weekend. And the way things are going, God knows what that's going to happen to that $13,000 on Monday. So I'm just sick. I mean, this is definitely the worst it's been in the last 2 years for me. I just haven't seen anything like that. And you know, for those of you trading this, you know, I'm sorry. I feel for you, but I do know this will turn around. You know, we will get it back. If you can hang in there and keep trading this, we will get it back. But it just takes nerves of steel to keep doing this. We had 13 trades today, either getting in or getting out. 13 total trades. Not a huge number as compared with some days, thank God. But out of those 13 trades, we lost in 12 of them. You know, and I get it. You know, I'm used to at least getting 55-60% winners, but to lose 12 out of 13. I mean, and then, you know, be holding $13,000 negative over the weekend. This is horrible. Anyway, sorry for my rant. It's rough. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, I'm looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Hey, before I get talking about this, I just want to add something to what I just said. I told you about this time many years ago that I was trading about $200,000 and I lost $85,000 in a day, and that was, I'd say, the worst trading day of my life. But I do want to add to that I made all that money back. I just kept trading. It took me a year to make back what I had lost in the day, but I did make it back. And so, you know, I don't, as bad as this is, I'm not going to turn tail and run here. I'll get this money back, and so will anybody else who's trading this system. But it is really, really tough. I don't have any individual charts to show you today. Everything was bad. I told you, you know, 13 things we did today, 12 of them were bad. I'm not going to show you this one diddly little trade that we made $700 in. So this is what I can show you here in the Dow, but it does illustrate our problem. Today, once again, we get this powerful spike up right on the first bar. I absolutely hate that. I just hate that pattern. And then, you know, when we get this nice move up here, you see my red line here? We haven't been above this red line in 7 to 10 days. So when we penetrated that this morning, that looked really good. It looked like this thing was gonna go. We're gonna get above this resistance line. It was gonna fly. Unfortunately, like has so many times happened recently, it fails here. And this is just the most horrible pattern for us, because what happens is we're getting in and we're buying stuff here, and then it all goes against us here. And we didn't get into a huge amount of stuff today, fortunately, but I think we got into 3 positions right at 10:01 Eastern Standard Time, and those 3 positions not only did they go against us, they went against us really, really hard, and that's what's causing most of this $13,000 in losses that I got to hold over the weekend and worry about. Which will probably go well over 20,000 by Monday. Maybe I'm being too pessimistic, but the way these markets are going, I have little reason to be optimistic, except I will say this again, folks. Keep trading this and we'll come out of this. You know, if I kept trading and made over $85,000 in a year, making up a one-day loss, this is child's play by comparison. So anyway, I'm sticking with the system. I hope you stick with the system as well. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you all on Monday.